I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you want the best mail key caddy by your front door, I definitely recommend this one. This is the Mail Key Organizer by HEKFL. It has so many hook options, shelves, and cubbies. It comes put together, which I loved. There's no assembly required. And then it comes with everything that you need. A drill bit, tape, pencil to mark the spots on the tape. And then what I did is I turned it around and then just pressed it against the wall and the tape stuck on there. I was then able to just easily drill in the holes, put in the anchors and the screws. And then after that, you just hook it on and push it down and make sure it locks. And I just loved the space. It is so beautiful and you can totally customize it. How you want to place things, your wallet, your mail, decorations, sunglasses, and all of your keys, keychains. It's perfect for when you're heading out the door. You can grab your keys, put on your sunglasses, and then as easy it was as you were leaving, as you're coming back in, again, you have a spot for everything. And then later, never waste time looking for what you need. I love this because of the mail slot. It's so easy to forget to take care of certain things. So this keeps it easily seen and easily accessed for when we need to get things done. This was perfect for both me and my husband. So it was great to have something that could keep all of our things organized. Definitely check it out. But that's just my point of view.